Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into some lesser known wooden products. Those are either relatively new or not as widely used nowadays. We all know that plywood, blockboard, MDF, particle boards, and there are various types dominate the market. But today, let us explore some other wood-based materials and derivatives used in woodworking, furniture making, gifting, handicraft, toys, models, and more. If you are into woodworking, furniture design, or just curious about the similarities and differences between these materials, this video is for you. Before we begin, please note that we will be focusing on wooden panel boards and their applications. We won't be going deep into technical details. Now let's get started. Solid wood. Solid wood is the most traditional and original form of wood-based products. It is used as it is without being processed into panel boards or engineered wood. Some common applications include window frame, doors, dining table, sofa, wooden pillars, rafters, wall panel, tabletop, chairs, and many more. Solid wood allows for carving, polishing, painting, dyeing, CNC cutting, and more. However, it is costly due to need for aged tree, with about only 50% of the metal being usable for the rest goes to waste. The price of finished product depends heavily on the rarity of the wood species. The rare the wood species, higher the cost of the solid wood. Decorative veneers. These veneers are very thin layers derived from solid wood logs cut into various patterns to create different looks, such as straight lines, crown styles, or flowery patterns. They can be derived from any species, and the finished products will provide the same appearance as the raw product. The most popular veneer includes teak, walnut, beech, and mahogany. These are the second best alternative to solid wood as they offer the same look and feel using just a thin slice of log rather than a thick layer of solid wood. The decorative surface is around 0.25 mm to zero point 0.5 thickness and need to be pasted on a plywood backing, fleece backing, or a paper backing, or maybe on the MDF also. Next is the finger jointed or butt jointed solid wood panels. These are variations of solid wood where instead of using large lumber pieces, smaller wood sections are joined together. These sections typically range into size of width 2 inch to 4 inches, thickness 12 mm to 30 mm, length 6 inch to 12 inch. By gluing and interlocking these small pieces, larger boards are created, typically in sizes like 4 feet to 8 feet. The surface and edges remain solid wood, eliminating the need for veneer or lamination. These boards can be directly painted, polished, molded, or carved, making them a great alternative to joint free solid wood. A major advantage of this is that even wood waste can be used in their production, reducing material wastage. Popular wood choices for these panels includes rubber wood, teak, pine, acacia, and beech. Next is the bamboo plywood. Bamboo plywood is made from bamboo plants which are classified as grass rather than tree, making them eco-friendly alternative to timber. To create these boards, bamboo slats are arranged horizontally and vertically and then bonded together. The result is a board that is water resistant, visually appealing, and durable. Because of its unique look, it doesn't require veneer or lamination. Direct polishing is enough. Bamboo plywood is gaining popularity, but it remains one of the pricier options due to high processing cost. Other bamboo-based products include matte laminated boards and high compressed wood, which are commonly used for flooring. Next is balsa wood. Balsa wood is exceptionally lightweight hardwood with a density of just 150 kg per cubic meter, about 80% lighter than other typical hardwood. It's primarily grown into Ecuador. Despite being lightweight, balsa retains its shape well, making it ideal for non-furniture applications such as wind turbine blades, drones, aircraft model, scale model, children hobby project. Because of its unique properties, balsa wood is widely used in industries requiring lightweight yet sturdy material. Oriental Strand board or OSB. OSB is a type of particle board or chipboard made from wooden flax, typically sourced from wood waste or plantation grown wood. Originally used for the packing pallets, OSB is now gaining popularity in furniture interiors and wall paneling. It comes in commercial and waterproof grades with thickness ranging from 9 mm to 25 mm. One of the OSB's biggest advantages is that it is truly eco-friendly, as it can be made from recycled wood waste. It is also widely used for the temporary site offices at construction sites and is favored for its raw and natural aesthetics. Bass plywood, we call it by laser ply, aero ply, and toy plywood. Bass plywood is a premium grade plywood with a thickness ranging from 1.5 mm to 5 mm, though higher thicknesses are available. This type of plywood is known for its high precision, excellent surface quality, and suitability for laser cutting. It is widely used in architectural model, toys, and gift articles. Due to its fine quality, bass plywood is a preferred choice for delicate and detailed work. Cork board. Cork is derived from the bark of the cork oak tree, meaning it's a non-timber product and doesn't harm the tree. Portugal is the world's leading producer for cork. Cork boards come in various thickness starting from 2.5 mm and going up to as needed. In interior and furniture application, cork can be dyed, colored, CNC cut and used for designer doors, wall paneling, ceiling, flooring, pinup boards. Cork has excellent water resistance and zero emission, making it a truly eco-friendly option. Friends, we hope that this video gave you a basic understanding of alternating wood-based products. In our upcoming videos and blogs, we will dive deeper into their different types, applications, and comparison with other materials. If you found this information useful, do not forget to like the video, drop a comment with your questions or suggestions for future topics, share it with fellow woodworking persons, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and we will see you soon in our next video.